So, hi everyone, good evening. Maybe whichever time you're watching this, maybe good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this would be my sincere effort to upload a video to my channel, Pradeep KV, after a long time. I've been uploading, but yeah, this would be the sincere effort. So once again, welcome to my channel. So today, this video is about the trade which I've taken a couple of days back and the one which I've closed today, 14th of December 2023. So firstly, few disclaimer, guys. This trade is about stock options. Stock option is definitely a riskier one. So this is just for information and knowledge purpose and not for recommendation or not to recommend anything. It's just to share whatever I've learned and maybe a few learnings. Definitely like about myself, my experiences, I would have a separate video, but I've learned so many things from so many people out there. So I would definitely be grateful to all of them who have taught me these things. So roughly, I mean, I have a trade. I mean, in trading, I would say my experience is more than a decade. So more than a decade in equity segments, and I would say maybe since I've opened here Sensible, there are three verified panels which I posted here. You could see only three panels, but I would say my experience is like here, which is more than 3 to 4 years. So just because the figures are like a bit higher doesn't mean I took trade very first time and I'm ending up with good profits. No, there is a lots and lots of failures, lots and lots of obviously success, both mixed together. I've learned, I would say it is solo journey. I've learned by maybe YouTubes and reading so many materials. But yeah, I thought whatever I learned, I should share at least for now and maybe in a structured way going forward sometime if everything goes well. So here we go straight away into the Tech Mahindra. So as the title of the video says, um, I was expecting this move. I would say I predicted this move, but I was expecting this move, and I took a position a couple of days back, and I was able to capture this complete 4% guys today. So how did I do this? First thing, multi-time frame analysis. Like for any stocks you are planning to do, definitely you might need to do multi-time frame analysis. Here, if you could see, Tech Mahindra is bullish since 2020. It has come out of this pattern, and from then, if you could see, after a downfall for quite some time for a year, last month by November, it has actually come out of this particular small consolidation. So these were the two point where added to my conviction basically that like bulls are here. And then what I was doing, this is not sufficient for me to take a stock option, right? Stock option because it is all about momentum. And I was finding some pattern developing in the daily time frame as well. And if you could see in 4 hours, I was able to find some pattern which is yeah, something similar to triangle pattern. You could see some supports here and some resistances also over here. So beyond this trend line, you could not see none of these candles were closing. But this fine day, when by Monday, yeah, Monday first, like I found this candle was closing above this trend line, and I was jumping and taking a trade. Like um yeah, okay. I took trade in this particular candle, but there could be this particular trade. I would say beginners should not take because you could see lots of wicks here, and even the chart is also looking a little bearish. But considering the higher time frame, like monthly, I was telling initially, right? It was like coming out of a major pattern and all that. With that conviction, I thought, okay, here since October, candles are trying, and finally it has come out. I took a trade. My position sizing was also, I mean, at least for me, it is a bit higher. Normally, I used to take 2, 3 lots, but here I took 8 lots here, Tech Mahindra. So somewhere I got at the money. I guess some of you guys would be knowing this, but yeah, I mean, everyone would be knowing, or there could be some beginners also. So at the money strikers, by the closing of this candle, it was 1234. You could see it, right? So I took my strike price was around 1230 was my strike price. I took a call option. So, but what has happened? The next day, the candle started falling basically. But I was prepared. I was planning either I should keep a stop loss below this candle or it should go till here and it should take a support. So I was hopefully I was waiting. Candle should take a support here. As expected, candles took a support and it bounced back today. So that is how I've captured the complete move, guys. Mm, So beyond this, yeah, like each candle, each setup would be different, guys. In this thing, like we could see here, it has formed something like triangle. There could be something like channel and all that. Anyway, we quickly go into my PNL here. So the verified today, I was able to close it at around 40%. So which ended up like 70K. And previously, I've also taken this is with the Infosys. So yeah, the another reason for me to take Tech Mahindra trade is I found IT stocks basically are coming out of patterns and they were just giving good returns. Even my previous trade was with Infosys, and on 6th December, you could see here there are multiple stocks like Asian Paints, Infosys, Nestle, Tata Consumer, and TCS and all that. But what I feel, guys, rather than taking many trades, find patterns which is like really solid and take maybe if you're really convinced, you can go a little bit higher in position and book your profits. So that would be for this video, guys. If you have any doubts, like please comment, and maybe since this is my very first video, if I was stammering, kindly apologize. Maybe and I would not take trades like regularly, friends. Like whenever I find setup, I used to take. So let me see. I'll try to be regular if at all whether I'm getting profits or loss. I'll try to post it over here, and also let me, if possible, I'll come up with these kind of videos as well. Well, you can follow me if you like this video. Do a thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye.